Hey guys, I want to give you a quick update because today we finally published the video showing the camper that we bought that we are going to be living in. So I did say in that video that a lot of things have happened, so I wanted to update you on those things really quick. So first of all, I started my new job, and tomorrow will be my first full day working. But just like our house is under renovation, their office is under renovation as well. So I will be working from here temporarily. And then on Tuesday, I'm hoping to head back into town and go meet some different people around town, different business owners and things like that. So the first update, though, is that we went with the camper because of all of the different issues that we were having with the house with plumbing and not having heat and AC yet and all of that stuff, right? And then the mold and just things, so much that we needed to take care of in the house that we're going to take a lot more time and money that we didn't have at the moment. So getting a camper that was already fully set up that we could live in temporarily was just the wisest thing that we could do right now so that I could be on site for my new job. So I got to attend the annual gala. My new job, by the way, is I'm the new executive director of the Fort Gibson Chamber of Commerce here in Oklahoma. If you've watched any of our videos in the past, you know that I was with the Owasso Chamber for almost 8 years, and I love chamber work. So I was so excited to find out, or when Fort Gibson was looking for a new director, I was super excited and it all worked out. So God definitely had a plan there, and I'm really, really excited. Thursday night was the night of their annual gala, and so I got to be a part of that, and it was just so wonderful to get to meet the new community that I'm going to be planting my roots in. So I'm really excited. I've got a lot to do this week to get myself entrenched in everything. There's 2 more events coming up before the end of this year that I need to get busy on that I know nothing about yet. So this is going to be a very busy week. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and record this video really fast just to let you guys know what is going on at the homestead. So I'm going to share some pictures. I stayed here in Owasso this weekend so that I could get my computer set up and all that stuff, trying to prepare myself for actually working for my new job. So I'm here in Owasso right now because we still do not have water out there. You guys are not going to believe this. He has to meet the water district back out there again tomorrow because he dug up all over the property and still can't figure out where the lines are clogged. So please say a prayer for us. Please say a prayer for us that it's a simple fix. And we were still having electrical issues, and he thought he got everything fixed. And then when he went inside, he realized that the microwave and refrigerator were not working now. So today is Tuesday, and I was supposed to go to Fort Gibson today, but instead I got this text from Art letting me know that the water issue is still up in the air and the water district isn't going to be able to come back out again until tomorrow. And they had a big catastrophe with that today. So I'll let him tell you more about that in a different video. But he's also still having issues with the electric. So we're still not in the clear on that, but stick around to the end of this video because I do want to show you something that Art's son brought over, something that he built himself, and he's got it set up at the homestead now. So make sure you like and subscribe so that you don't miss our next update. And here we go, back to the video. So the way that we did have it set up, we were just using an extension cord from the main house to the camper, and that was running everything except for the air conditioner. So he finally got it hardwired in, and he thinks the air conditioner is working now, but he forgot to test it. But he knows for sure that the refrigerator and microwave are not working. So we've still got some more work to do on that. Plus the camper is very, very lopsided and it's just sinking. The ground is so soft, so it was sinking. So today we decided we're probably going to go ahead and pour a concrete pad to move that onto. So tomorrow Art's going to do some math to figure out how much that's going to cost us to get enough cement to pour a large enough pad to park that thing on. So I'm hoping that all of that stuff works out and that everything's going to go smoothly and that we don't run into any more issues. There have been too many issues, too many. It's crazy. I mean, every time we hit another bump, I'm just like kind of rolling my eyes like, of course it didn't go smoothly. Nothing has this entire time. Nothing has gone smoothly. It's been insane. So anyway, that is our latest update. I just wanted to share some pictures with you guys to show you how things are looking now. And of course, we've got so much more to share. We're going to do a full tour of the camper very soon. I want to show you all of the cool features that we discovered and just things that we really like about it. That I mean, the good thing is that we are just two adults. You know, we don't have any kids living at home anymore and all of that stuff. So it just makes it so much easier. So anyway, I sure would like to have my home officially set up and ready for me to stay in like on a regular basis so that I don't have to keep going back and forth, because I'm like, every time I go to the grocery store, I'm buying two of everything so that I can keep some here and some there. And it never fails. When I need something out there, I left it here, or when I'm here, I left it out there. It's getting really annoying. So I just really would like to be settled out there. That way, when I come back here, it's simply to pack up some more boxes and keep moving stuff onward and outward. We may not have electric, we may not have plumbing, we may not have heat and air, but by golly, it is hunting season and the men in this family are going to make sure they're prepared for that.
They got walkie-talkies. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Go, Bob. Woo! Good job. Good job, Lukey. You did awesome.
Anyway, that's it for now. Please keep us in your prayers this week. It is going to be a crazy busy week as I get settled into my new role and as we try to get our home set up so that I can be staying out there and not running back and forth all the time. So anyway, we love you guys. Remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources. And let me know what you think about all of this stuff.